Imagine a scoop of your favorite homemade ice cream topped with juicy caramelized peaches. What could be more enticing? These lovely fruity portions make any evening memorable, whether it's only for two people after dinner or as a part of the family gathering around holidays, or you're simply looking out for a quick dessert to wow your guests. This summer delicacy of caramelized peaches is simple and delightful. They are sweet, juicy, and flavor packed. They are great on pancakes, waffles, creams, yogurts, ice creams. Alternatively, you may simply enjoy them on their own. This dish is gluten-free, vegan, and dairy-free by nature. Everyone gets caramelized peaches. Good day foodies, my name is Ishwari and today I have got these glossy caramelized peaches for you at the Smoothies bar. This recipe is all about peaches themselves. Let them enjoy their diva status. We'll use a few simple ingredients to emphasize and intensify the flavor of peaches, but the fruit itself is the star of the dish. Caramelized peaches have the purest, most intense flavor that a fresh peach can have. They are soft, juicy, and they'll dribble down your chin. In the summer, I enjoy eating fresh fruits, but now that the weather has cooled, I have been wanting cooked fruits. They become soft, incredibly juicy, and the flavor intensifies. This is one of my favorite things about them. This is good for the cooler months when the fruits aren't at their best. You find best peaches around April to September in India. Without wasting time, let's get on to the recipe. So let's start with this glossy maple caramelized peaches. It's not ready if the peach is firm to touch. When gently squeezed, wait until there is some give. Never squeeze too tight as this will cause some bruising. The color of a ripe peach is dark yellow. Now these peaches should be pitted and cut into wedges. For that, you will need to circle your knife around the peach and then twist it with both of your hands. White peaches have a delicate flowery sweetness to their flesh, whilst yellow peaches have a more acidic flavor. In a mixing bowl, combine peaches, lime juice, maple syrup and salt and give it a nice mix. When peaches are ripe, store them in a bag with large holes or in an open bag apart from other fruits if they aren't kept in the refrigerator. Peaches can be wrapped in plastic and frozen intact. Now heat coconut oil, mix in the peach mixture, allow to cook, stirring occasionally until the sugars have caramelized or bubbles have formed. It takes about 10 minutes. Pour in the vanilla extract and cinnamon, and once done, take it off the fire and enjoy it. For serving, I'm taking coconut whipped cream. And then garnishing it with some pistachios. You can also add some maple syrup for more sweetness. This is looking gorgeous. Do watch my next video for coconut whipped cream. Thank you for watching this video. I would be delighted to have you a member of my community, so please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my future videos. In the description box, I have mentioned all the links from my previous videos. Recently, I have posted a video on how to make coconut milk from scratch. Find the links in the description box. See you soon. Eat clean.